From a small crimping die to solutions covering electrical connections, pipeline connections, large equipment installation, lithium battery gardens, and mobile energy storage. BEAT. Adhere to the original intention of 16 years. Integrate technology and application to create a comprehensive service system and win the favor of global users. No matter where you are, BEAT will provide you with better solutions in the first time. Always believe in the power of to be better. This belief drives us to constantly break through ourselves. Focus on cutting-edge technology and high-end equipment in the industry. Keep a low-key layout. Continue to expand. Integrate superior resources. Adhere to technology leadership. Carry out international cooperation. Promote digital transformation. Build a new pattern of intelligent manufacturing and brand BET's imprint on the world. Provide products with high level, multiple categories, and high added value for the market. Our duty is to produce hydraulic tools, pipeline hydraulic tools, large equipment installation hydraulic tools, lithium battery garden tools, and mobile energy storage equipment, committed to becoming a leader in the field of hydraulic tools. Better tools based on constant thinking about customer needs. So we concentrate on researching user needs, gain insight into the great changes in the development of the world, and gather a better talent team to create a complete industrial chain integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. Adhere to independent innovation and open cooperation. Appraised as a national high-tech enterprise, an excellent innovative company in Zhejiang Province, Hangzhou Enterprise High-Tech R&D Center. Intellectual Property Management System Certification. TAS ISO 9001 Certification, C Certification. 70+ patent certificates. Behind every honor is our ultimate pursuit of products. From raw materials to product delivery, we introduce sophisticated professional production and testing equipment to check every key step. Using advanced production technology combined with scientific and accurate test methods to effectively improve the product service life, let customers witness our unique ingenuity in every detail. Not only meet the needs of domestic high-end customers, but also in line with international standards. Through digital operations, bring our products and services to every corner of the world. Better development comes from people-oriented drive. Talent is always the most valuable asset of BEAT. We use the company's sustainable development to empower employees with value incentives, with the efforts of every BEAT person. Happiness index is rising, and company's business is booming. Every carving is to achieve a better goal. Every breakthrough is to achieve a better self. BEAT. Take mission to manufacture with all our strength. Share value with the world. Become a powerful tool brand in the new era to achieve a win-win situation and create a better future.